Okay, welcome to my channel. This is Roy. Today we're going to go over to my brother's house and we're going to do a chain cleaning on his 2010 Triumph Bonneville, and he has a brand new 2021 Triumph 900 GT Pro. It's never been ridden, so we're just going to do a chain lube on that. So when we get over there, we'll be doing that. So please stay tuned, and we'll be back when I get over there. Thanks. Okay, we're back. Gonna start by oiling the Triumph Tiger 900. Got it up on the center stand, up on a painter's tarp there. My brother's gonna be using this kit here with cleaner and an oil. Like I said, none of us have done this before, so we'll see how this goes. All right, we're back, and like we said, this is a brand new bike, so he's just oiling it. Hasn't even been ridden yet. So he's got it up on the center stand. He's just giving it a little bit of light spray there. And the bike's in neutral. I'm just rotating it, Jesus. Looks, I don't know, supposed to use that much?
That's what they say.
Yeah. Well, I guess he's looked it up on YouTube, so we'll go by what he says, He's slicking the tire up, so it'd be a real good burnout here pretty soon when we use it, He's got a brand new garage, so he wants to paint. He wants the floors black anyway, so we'll do a burnout inside, Damn, he ain't around yet. See, I told you, you should let me. You should buy a freaking lift.
Yeah. Kind of ran both.
Mm.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that.
Yeah, now you gotta clean your fucking tires. Yeah.
I just gotta wipe off the tire afterwards.
Or just burn them. Is it all done?
No.
No.
No. So you can feel that. Not yet.
Well,
it would be easier if that guard was off.
was that on the bike already? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So if he's totally doing this totally wrong, please leave in the comments. Like I said, we've never done this before. So that looks good.
That's it.
That's it for that. Yep. And so we'll take this bike back down, move it out of the way, and we'll put the Bonneville up on there, and we'll be back.
You're supposed to have like cardboard here to stop it from hitting the tire.
What? What do you mean?
So you don't spraying the tire?
Oh, yeah.
That's what they do. They put cardboard in. Usually they're cleaning right here.
Mm-hmm.
But there's no way for me to... Hey, give me that box. I just picked up.
Hold on. We'll be right back. All right, so we're back. So he's spraying his cleaner on his chain there a little bit at a time.
Yeah, man.
Moving the tire a little bit forward. And he's got a chain brush here, just slide it back and forth a little bit, back and forth each time. And he's using a piece of cardboard here to put up behind there so he don't spray it all over the rim.
Cool.
This chain here had a master link in it, right?
Yep.
So that's where we start. We're using that as our starting point, so he knows when he gets all the way around.
Yep. Okay.
And we'll just continue with this until we're done cleaning. And then, how long you gotta wait? What do you do? Do you gotta wait any?
They recommend 15 minutes after cleaning.
All right, there we go. We'll wait after he gets done cleaning. We'll wait 15 minutes and then we'll oil it. So, there we go.
Go ahead. A little more. Okay.
All right, and then we'll be back when it's that time. Okay, so he's been all the way around scrubbing it with the brush. And that's just to loosen up all the dirt and grime. When you get that done, then you get your spray and just spray it down, spin in the tire, just keep going. So it should.
Yep. But I shouldn't have to knee it.
What?
I shouldn't have to lay down.
No. If you do, if you do it right here, Yeah. What was that from? Oh, the brush. Oh, yeah, that's nasty.
That's
so, yeah. You might want to hold the box though.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold the box and you're just gonna spread. You're gonna spin tire.
Ready?
You want to? Are you gonna record all this?
Yep, I'm recording it.
All right.
Ready?
Yep. Go. Keep going. Just keep going. That's good.
That it?
Yep, and now you're just gonna let it drain.
And let it drip and look at that. There. Let's see here. Look how nasty that chain was. Let's see. Yeah. It's all dripping down here. Alright. Alright, we'll be back when it's time to lube it up. Yeah. Alright, so we're back, and he's just taking a rag now, and wiping the excess cleaner off the chain there. You let it sit for 15 minutes, let it drip. I wonder if I should blur out your plate.
I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't necessarily understand that whole part of it.
Yep. Just go around and clean. Yep. That should be pretty good, right?
I'm still pulling off.
Still pulling off. Keeps pulling off. You just keep going around pulling off more
Whatever.
black
This is actually easy.
crap and whatever.
Yep.
So
I mean, it's never gonna be
you're never going to get it to,
showroom.
Yep.
That's pretty good. Now I'm just gonna dig it.
All right, so we'll be back when he gets ready to lube it up again. So, all right, so now he's just spraying it down with his lube. You just start in one spot, start with your master link if you got one there or whatever, so you know where you end, and just slowly spray and rotate your tire, come back around. There you go. All right, so we're all done now. Well, not me, but my brother's all done cleaning and oiling his chain on his Triumph, and he oiled his chain on his Triumph Tiger. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications for when we put up new videos, and leave a comment below if,